us. We all are beautiful in our own way, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to share this look here. Look I have created for the coming Navratri series, and if you don't know what the series is, then I'll give the link to the I button and as well as in the description box. Do check out. No, I'm a Bengali, so I'm going to dedicate this look for the day of Nabami, that is the 9th day of Navratri. Interested in this look, then please keep on watching.
So after moisturizing and priming, for foundation today I'm going to use Infallible from L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to blend this with a damn beauty blender. Now for concealer, today I'm going to use Kiss Beauty highlighter and concealer palette. I'm going to take a lighter color from my skin. I'm going to conceal my under eye area and bridge of my nose and chin area, and also going to blend this with a damn beauty blender. Now I'm going to set my conceal area with a loose powder. For contouring, I'm taking a darker color from that Kiss Beauty palette, and I'm going to contour my hollows of cheeks. I'm going to blend this with a damn beauty blender. Now for eye makeup, I'm going to take this brown shade from the Morphe palette. I'm going to deposit the color to my outer V, and slowly I'm going to blend this to my crease area. Now I'm taking this brown shade from the Morphe palette and going to blend this to the earlier color. Now I'm going to take this pressed glitter from Wet n Wild, and with my fingers I'm going to apply to my lid area, half of my lid area. Now with a small pencil brush I'm going to smoke out my lower waterline area with the two brown shades. Now with the brush I'm going to highlight my brow bone area and inner corner of my eyes. Now with my favorite mascara from Maybelline, I'm going to do my mascara, and for lashes I'm going to take PAC falsies. Then for further contouring I'm going to take this Wet n Wild contour palette. Today I'm not going to use any blush. I'm just taking this color and going to bronze up my little bit. taking the color to my forehead area and also to my chin area. Now with a highlighting color from Morphe palette, I'm going to highlight my face, the usual spots. Now for lipstick, I'm going to take NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen. This is a beautiful plum color. Now my look is complete. How do you like this look? Please let me know in the comment section below. Happy Navratri and Durgapuja to all of you. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.